Hey, what's going on here? That's pretty rough. Shaking of hands. Well, be nice to the dog. Whoa!
What kind of clothes do you have on?
Whoa! Whoa!
Baby down.
Don't be nice to the puppy dog. What's the name of the dog again?
Jameson.
Jameson.
James is a nickname.
You like Jameson?
James. James.
Any way you want it.
That's the way you want it.
Keep it how cold it is.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Can you put my hoodie on? Yeah.
Hey. Hey. How you doing?
Where? Oh yeah. Kevin, watch your step.
Oh. I think that's funny. Thanks for telling me. It's like a minefield out here.
A what?
A minefield out here. Somebody, she stepped in it again.
Oh! He's gonna.
You're gonna have to take that shoes off.
He's gonna get. Kevin, help her get my dad.
No, we'll worry about it later.